Let it be.
Hi class, today I'm here to show my science project. What happens if I drop it a little bit?
Is that a question? Do you want kids to raise their hands? Wait, who wants to predict what's going to happen if she tips that glass? Call on somebody to answer the question, Sydney. Pick somebody with their hand up. Yes.
It's going to spill. But this time it's not going to spill.
She's going to try it?
Tell them, let's count.
Let's count to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Can you hold it the proper way?
Oops.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Let's count to 10 again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Ta-da!
Wait, turn it back up fast. Turn it back up fast. You don't want to ruin the magic.
Doesn't.
Wait, wait.
Oh, really hard. Yeah, that's so easy. It's not so easy.
Tell them.
You know what?
Excuse me, listen to this.
Do you know why it sticks? Because it sticks.
Well, call on somebody with a quiet hand, Sydney.
Like a stick. No, y'all.
Shh. Quiet hand, please. Pick somebody. How about a boy this time, maybe?
No, you're a boy. You're not a boy.
Well, you just picked a girl. Try to pick a girl.
You're not a girl. So, but
Can you hear Kaden?
It sticks because...
It sticks because...
It sticks because it's sticky.
That's good.
Okay. Because we counted the 10 and the water wrong in the net when on the paper.
Now you tell them why.
Because the air around pushes the paper.
See?
Sometimes
Inside.
the forces of the air pushes it.
You see, guys? You just need a cup of water, a piece of paper, and then you flip it like this. And then you show your parents, do magic.
It's like
You
a
see?
vacuum.
Okay, guys, now you know magic.
Let's clap for
Science magic.
science magic. Everybody say science magic. Clap for Sydney. Come on. Everybody say thank you, Sydney. That was excellent.
Thank you for listening. So good.
Sydney,
Wow, you spoke
I
great.
liked your nice big sentences. It's really practical. Really nicely. Good job. Like perfect.
Thank you. Now everybody.